To remove noise from a sample in FL Studio, start by making sure your audio track is placed in the playlist. Once it's there, go to the playlist and double-click the track to open up the detailed settings for that audio. In the new window, right-click on the waveform and select Edit in Audio Editor. This will open up the sample in Edison Florida Studio's audio editing tool. In Edison, start by selecting only the section of the audio that contains the noise you want to remove. Once it's highlighted, find the brush icon on the toolbar at the top of Edison and right-click it. This will capture the noise profile. Next, press Ctrl+A to select the entire track. Left-click the brush icon to apply the noise reduction and then hit Accept to finalize the change. At this point, the noise should be reduced or removed from the sample, leaving you with a cleaner sound. Thanks for watching.